Welcome to another video of Rusty Fine Outdoors. Today we're going into the Everglades in a canal and seeing if we can catch some panfish. We're taking the jet skis so we have a little extra fun. We're here off of Highway 27. We're going to do a little pan fishing. We're going to take the jet ski. We're going to go check out the canals where the Florida Power or Gulf Power is put the lines in. There's a lot of places to fish out here. It's covered with hydrilla. Let's go. This is a very productive area. I've caught some fish in here before. Unfortunately, today I didn't find any. But I had my first cast, and after that we'll move down to Canal. This is another species that we catch out here in the Everglades. This is a Mayan cichlid. It was first caught in Florida Bay in 1983, and now it's all over the canals. They live in South Florida as far north as Lake Okeechobee and St. Lucie Canal. They're very adaptable and lives very well in different habitats. The canals are full of them. Here we have a bluegill. The canals are full of bluegills also. This is what most people are going after when they're trying to catch dinner. Can you identify this fish? This fish is abundant in the canals. Leave a comment below if you know what kind of fish this is. So can you tell the difference between a red-breasted sunfish versus a bluegill? Well, leave a comment down below if you know what the differences are.